Virgin Router Super Hub 2 AC Setup. Take the router and its components out of the packaging. Attach the coaxial cable to the cable socket on your wall and connect the other end to the coaxial port on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router and into a power outlet, then wait for the router's lights to stabilize, indicating it's booted up. Locate the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password on the router's label. Connect your device to this Wi-Fi network using these details. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar, then log in with the default username and password. Change the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, and adjust other settings as necessary to secure and personalize your network. Check for firmware updates in the router's settings menu and install any available updates to ensure your router has the latest features and security patches. Verify that your devices are properly connected to the internet and functioning as expected. If you experience problems, restart the router.